Hey there, how are you? Today we have this exercise. We'll take it. As you look here on screen, you will find it. It's so easy, so we'll start on it. Let's go. First, a new parts. Okay. We'll start on front view. Sketch. I will edit background color white. I will check my unit. I will make it millimeter. Alright, let's sketch it out. Circle. Inside it another circle. We'll right click on mouse and we'll move on left side. We'll select a line on this way. Alright, let's do it again. I'll sketch it up, only find the general shape, then we'll put our dimension. Skip, right click, move left. Here is it, almost finished. We'll hide just relation, green box, square. On these eyes, the arrow near to it, view sketch relation. So now, right click, moving up, I will select small dimension, big circle 70mm, second one 50, from center to face of basement 60. This is cap 5 by 50, and the big one 120. Now this 110. Alright, let's put some relation here. First of all, let's select this, and this will make it equal. Second, we'll make this dimension 15. And from here to the center of circle, it's 30. And of course, this control and select this edge, we make it equal. What else we have? This one, easy. We make it co-center. We select those two, make it this one. We make it symmetric. Now fully defined all the shape. Now I click on S button. I will make extrude. If you don't have it, you can find it here. It's M. Now we have this one, and this will make it 60. Come on. 60. But we'll make it mid-plane. Okay. Now we have to select this one. Select the sketch. Then we'll click on extrude. Then we'll check if it here selected. It automatically it will be, but we only need to check. We'll click on this sketch. This is 80. And also mid plane. Enter. Here is it, the basic shape. Now let's make the rib here and here. We have two ways. The first way, we'll make sketch and draw a line. This line controls the circle tangent. And here also the same idea. Right click, move up, we'll get smart dimension. This distance 35. Okay, all fully defined. Always make sure it's fully defined. Now it's only the line. We'll go to feature, have rib. The thickness, it's 10 millimeter, which means this side. And here is the direction. Do you need it like here on this direction? Of course no, I need it between those. I flip it. Another one, it will not take it because it will take it to this side. For this I'll make it later, another rib. The edge I needed 0. No need. It's already selected. We'll check if it will make it. Nope. We can't do this. It's already selected but not accepted. Okay, because here have hole. If it is full, then we can do it. But never mind. Back to sketch, convert entity. This one. Yes. Right click, moving down on a trim. Actually, this one I modified it. If you go to setting, you can edit it as you like from here. Options, customize. Anyway, let's continue. We'll take line here to here, we'll go up, and here to here, and we'll close it. Escape. Also check all fully defined. You will find it full in black color. If you found it in blue color, it would just mean it's not fully defined. You have to check what you have to edit or put, relationship or smart dimension. Now extrude, we'll click 10, mid plane, and just finish. Now we have 4 holes, let's make it fast. We'll select the face down, anyone here or here. We'll make sketch, fit to normal, or you have to check on bad number. If you look on 7, 3, it depends you can rotate by arrow. If you look on F button, it will fit the shape out. However, how much you zoom in or zoom out, or maybe you made the shape, if you look on F only, it will fit it on screen, it will not rotate it. Okay. Right click, move left. We draw 4 circles, any position. Later we make it line. Select those two, make it concentrate. No. These two symmetric, and these two symmetric, and those two symmetric. It's already no need. Now smart dimension, just 10 millimeter. Hello. I switch. It's okay. 10 millimeter. And from center to center 90, center to center 50. You see, all turned to black and all fully defined. Now finished. Feature extrude cut. We already know it is 15, we'll make it 15, or we'll make it extra a little bit. Perfect. Here is it, we finish our shape on less than 13 minutes. Alright, please guys, don't forget subscribe and like for this video, and if you have any comment, please let me know. Up to next video, see you later.